Hello, here we have a 4x4 ute set up for remote energy infrastructure work. This has a high drive U module on it, and we fitted a lot of accessories to it so that they're ready for anything out there in the field. Firstly, we installed a snorkel, twin ladder racks, straps to the front there, supplementary lighting, additional antenna, ladder holder. On one side of the canopy, we have additional roof shelving, additional shelving with all sorts of parts bins, which are all customizable there to the shape of whatever spares you use in your trade. Non-slip matting. We also have a central locking kit which is fitted to this. The great advantage of that is you can have your hands full of your tools, close your door, do it all with one hand. With your hands full, grab the keys, lock it, and away you go without having to put all your tools down on the ground. We also have the wheel nut indicators, 15 litre hand wash and soap, so you can clean up at the end of a job. Around the back of the U module, we have ladder rollers at the end of each of the ladder racks. We have a flasher kit, again for site safety. We've got additional storage capacity here with the eye bolts on the end of these extrusions here. We have a tonneau cover covering the full U area. Obviously there's a big space in between the U there where I could fit compressors and all sorts of other equipment. Drop down trays, of course. We also have shovel slot holders and additional conduits to the left and the right there for additional tools. We have a high drive manufactured tow bar and folding step with a really coarse step there. That's great for being able to get access to the ladder. Again, more storage here with the eye bolts on the left and right side. More flashers, again for safety. We have an underbody box on this side here, which a lot of trades use for their supplementary auxiliary double battery system. Coming around to the other side of the U module, have additional storage for tools and spares. One of the great features is this high drive made system where you've actually got these removable parts containers, which again you can change the size of your slots there, put all your spares. Really popular with sparkies, really popular with plumbers, locksmiths, those sorts of trades. They've got lots of fiddly little spares. So you can take that with you to your job, then at the end of your job, put it back in, and there you go, locked away. Again, more customizable parts bins, a couple of shelves of those. We also have the non-slip step there for access to the roof. One big advantage of these U modules is that you can actually have really deep, long drawers, like this high drive one-click drawer. We say one click because you can slam it shut, done. It's got a pan as well on top of the long drawer, which is super handy for stopping things sliding left to right as you're driving around. We also have here underneath the parts bins is actually an IT drawer. So you can see there, you can pop your laptop on there, tap away, do your reporting, whatever you need to be doing at a good handy height. You can put your laptop on there, but also it's a nice secure storage for your laptop, tablet, whatever you have. A lot of customers actually get custom cut foam inserts put into these for additional, additional protection of their electronic devices into this drawer. So feel free to consider that option. Just coming through here, you can see, you can look, obviously with a U module, one of the big advantages, you get this big long space. Now they've chosen to set it up that way with these dividers, but you can see other types of trades. They might be in remote areas where they just don't want stuff pinched and they need additional lock storage. They still need the ability out the back to have, it might be compressors or whatever in the back tray, but in here they've got a really big long area that you just don't get where you've just got a toolbox on the left and a toolbox on the right. All that space right through there. Imagine if that was open, you could put spare wheels in there, you could put signs in there. Councils use this area to put lollipop signs and things that don't want kids knocking off. Again here we've got additional lighting as I was saying before, this is a setup for a remote working team. So obviously, in the middle of the night, it's rainy, they need lighting, good lighting everywhere. So obviously they invest in the additional lights left and right. So that's pretty much it. That's an Essential Energy U-Module mobile workspace.